Hello and welcome to a slightly rainy upper Pennsylvania state, right on the shores of Lake Erie. I'll get out of the way of this machine in the background. I'm very excited that I finally made it to Waldameer here in upper Pennsylvania. It's a Monday and it's the last day of spring, so I'm only here for a short time. And you can probably predict why, and that is, of course, to ride Ravine Flyer II. Now, hoping it's actually running, because, yeah, I'm here for just that short visit to get on it and to get the other credits in. And then also do their rather famous dark ride here as well. Once that's all done, I'll wrap up my summary of how the day went, as I'm off to another park shortly after this. All right. Let's do some Waldameer and a rather notorious or famous wooden coaster here, Ravine Flyer II. Alright, so we're inside. Pretty simple procedure. This place reminds me a lot of what Fantasy Island was like before its unfortunate history, recent history, and now its resurrection. Hopefully it will become somewhat like this park, because it's actually really decked out well. A famous Dutch family that set it up for many years. It's been in operation, family owned, independently run amusement park. 37 bucks for a ride all day pass. You can't get a combination as well, which would involve you getting a admission to the water park and all the rides as well. I got a lot to do here, so let's take in the atmosphere, get on some rides. This is a very adorable park. It actually reminds me a lot more of Seabreeze in Rochester, as per what many of these parks in the upper Pennsylvania and New York State area kind of have that similar feel. Those trolley parks, classic carnival style amusements. Now we're going to get through the main section here, especially here, very reminiscent of that park, Seabreeze. Got the Comet over there. This is just a junior wooden coaster. Wait, what? And enjoy your ride on the Comet! Welcome back, riders! Please remain seated till the train comes to a complete stop. You guys enjoy your ride? I just finished a ride on Comet there. A nice standard junior Woody, a very standard figure 8 design for those style of coasters. Very well maintained, still had those old PTC trains. I rode in the back on a non-wheel seat, so remarkably smooth. Despite those trains being the miniature size, didn't have any problems with the knees, as you get with Ghost to Coaster back at my home park at Wonderland. So yeah, excellent little ride to start the day. Now I'm going to be off. I got another credit over here, which is Whirlwind, which I might actually just get out of the way now. because there doesn't seem to be a lineup for it. So why not get her done? Cove and Whirlwind. I'm kind of getting all of my rides in, so I make sure to actually get things done and then give reviews afterwards. Hair is out of place as always, but I'm in the middle of this log flume area. Thunder River. It's very impressive. I'm actually very looking forward to this ride. It's like a multi-drop special. It's a newer log flume as well, so it's probably going to run pretty well. So I'll give you my impressions of it afterwards. There it goes. It's just got a high output. Tends to look like it's a popular ride as well. Just got off a Steel Dragon for those solid Mac spinning coasters. Again, similarities to Seabreeze, as one of these models is located in that park as well, just down on the I-90, a little bit more upwards towards Rochester. Besides the point, watch that vlog if you want my impression of that coaster and this one, which are really my favorite custom spinning coasters out there. They're just more thrill heavy and focused. There's certainly not anything like, say, what Fantasyland has on offer, but just a great quality ride. Yeah, and a walk-on to boot, so can't really beat that. Also just got off of Thunder River, and that was a solid log flume. Two amazing drops packed into that layout. A great little tunnel with smoke and mist and steam and light effects in there. Yeah, just overall very impressed by the quality, care, and detail put into these smaller rides. Really well maintained. I'm very impressed so far by this park. I just just got off of Extreme behind me here, which is their drop tower. Really not usually worth mentioning, but I have to say that was probably the most forceful drop tower I've ever been on. It's not quite more than maybe close to 150 feet, 160 feet. But wow, crazy force. So if you like drop towers, that one's pretty crazy. It just took you straight to the top, no countdown, straight down with a ton of force. I might actually try to get another ride on it if I can before I leave. But I've only got two things left to do, which is Whacky Shack and the highlight of the whole park, Ravine Flyer II. So enough dawdling about. I've got all the other credits done. Time to get on that coaster. Of waiting, I finally got on Ravine Flyer II. And wow, what a ride that was. Really unique hybrid coaster built in 2008 to replace the original wood coaster that was located on the ravine next to the lake here. I didn't expect that crazy, really unrelenting ending where yeah, it boasts a 120-foot drop plus another 100-foot drop, which you wouldn't think about it looking at the ride from a distance, because from a perspective like this, it doesn't really look all that crazy. Now, admittedly, while it was a fast ride, it wasn't it didn't hold the speed too well through, say, the last third of the ride. But throughout all those overbank turns, the tunnels, the airtime hills inside the tunnels, probably one of my favorite sections. Also those two crossover moments of the road as well, which is really what brings this ride its claim to its fame. Phenomenal ride. I'm gonna say it's probably gonna creep into my top 10 woods, if not my top 10 hybrids at the end of the day. I kind of want to get another ride on it. I'm getting vlog bomb from the sky here. We're going to see what the wait is. It's really hard to get footage of it too, because it's really packed in the back of the park here. I got to get out of here because I'm supposed to be going to Kennywood, so hopefully I'll get another ride on it. We're going to go and do Wacky Shack to end my day here, and then I'll sum up the park here at Waldameer.
On this train, we got a Superman. Where?
Guys, I need to finish this. It's fine, Brady. Okay, I'll take it on the ride and spill it all over me.
Maybe with your arm.
Okay, that's my day done. I gotta get a quick bite and get out of this park. One thing about food in this park as well, I've noticed great value. So if you're looking for an all-around great family value for a park, and also really, I'd say a half day's out, a good package of entertainment, well, that'd be Waldameer, the forest by the sea, as it's known as, I believe in Dutch originally. Great little park. I'm really actually gutted that I don't allot enough time to fully explore places like this as I quickly scurry across Pennsylvania to get to another of its more famous parks just south of here. Overall impressions, fantastic. They got one of the best woodies here. Technically a hybrid coaster in the States. I have to say it's fantastic. So yeah, high praise for Ravine Flyer II. Got a great POV there as well on the famous Wacky Shack haunted house or ghost train. Kind of like a different theme. I don't really know what the theme overall of that ghost train was. Other than being just a little different, obviously. Outside of that, they've got two parking lots here, so this is like one of the other entrances, but don't be fooled. If you've come the way that I did, there are two ways to get in. So I gotta go back down that way, which is by the water park side, in order to get back to where my car is. Okay, that's a wrap here. A very short vlog here from Waldameer. I hope to come back very soon. It's been a long time coming. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the next trip here will be a little bit of a longer stay. I can get a bit more coverage for you of the fantastic rides that they have here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Always enjoy.